MTN Project Fame. Season what? Season 9. Alright, you guys are looking lovely. New face, old face, all the faces. DJ Zone, fine face. Let go. Can we wait? Thank you. For those of you who don't know me, and you're seeing me for the first time, if you don't know me, I don't know you too. 1-1. My full names are Ogene Kopoya, Ogene Brunien, 09B Desmond. Alright, I'll be your host person today. I'll be talking. Those of you who are familiar, you know, I talk for a living. So, along the line, I'll be cracking jokes. Please, if I do, whether it's funny, it's not funny, just laugh. Now, if you're not laughing, it doesn't mean I'm not funny. What it simply means your problem is bigger than my jokes. So you don't need a comedian, you need a prophet. Because the way this country is going now, the only remedy you people have now is comedy. This is Lagos. Let me welcome you all officially. This is Lagos. This is a place where people that have problem advise people that have the same problem. Hello? This is Lagos, where you see somebody, they hurry, you don't get where they go. You don't walk up before person just hurry past you for your mind. This guy don't late too. 10 minutes later, you go reach where they sell newspaper. The guy they read paper. And I don't discover something. Now this Lagos, you know, if they hurry, not be everybody go hurry march. One man they hurry for Yanokbaja, hurry. Early morning to 8, they hurry go march soldier. Soldier when he used 2 hours clean shoe. As he marched the soldier look at night. He's a young man. You stepped on me. The guy said, and so, the word not command. I just do and so. See slap. Army, I don't know say get the way the army go slap you, your spirit go leave you. Army just give her woo, the spirit leave her. For me, the spirit won't touch the motor. I don't know say army man, they spiritual, he leave the man who is spirit. Give her slap, woo, spirit they talk. Let me match you. Say they put it here. So I welcome you all to Lagos. All right, on the wheel of sea, your wonderful DJ, you all know him, DJ Ozone. DJ, give me that your introduction, that your intro. Give me that your intro. Say that your intro. Boss my head. DJ. Everybody just step up. All right, this is MTN Project Fame. All right, let's listen to our DJ. Conductor. How you want to do it? Now someone they advise me. He say, not look me, like that. It's not the container, it's the content. Now the next week, the guy start work. He won't load from a Yanokbaja. Now my guy say, why be saying that these Lagos people they conclude what you they think? Samara just started Osh. People when they pass and they complete and Osh should me. Osh should everybody enter. They enter bus full. After 10 minutes they don't drive. Now Samara complete with his start. I beg. Make on a change your show go straight to. All right, that's what we'll be doing. We'll be having fun. All right, those of you who have been coming to this Project Fame, can I know? Let's know. I want to know if we remember some of our past winners. We have 8 winners, right? We have past 8 winners, right? Correct. All right, can we name them? Let me know if you are following. The first winner is. Second winner is. Mike who? Not Mike Izroye, eh? Sorry, somebody said something. Okay, the third one is. The fourth one is. Monica Oga. Okay, the first, the fourth one, right? The fifth one is. The sixth one is. Eh? The seventh one is. The eighth one is. Correct. Now they follow up. Need to show na love. Who get 1,000 make up collect 500. Alright, give me that way. Let me give you the list of those that we have 18 contestants for this season. Do you know? Alright, let's get their name. I know the first one is Kissy. Okay, alright. We have 18 contestants for this one. We have Kissy, we have Ellie, we have Gabriel, we have Mirabel, we have Benjamin, we have Winner, we have Favor, we have Cheon, we have Steve, we have Yusuf, we have Kite, we have Okemute, we have Perry, we have Solomon, we have Blessing, we have Dakbo, we have Elizabeth, we have Olu, She, and we have Destalker as the host. Alright, okay. Alright, before we start the show properly, I want to take just two songs. I want to have fun. It takes somebody that is hot to warm somebody. Am I right? It takes somebody that is hot to warm somebody. Am I right? Correct. Alright, DJ. Okay, you done something. Please, like I said before, do you know that all MTN subscribers can migrate now to MTN Pulse tariff? Do you know? This guy, you know everything. Are you from the family or know her? Okay, you know, right? But do you know the migration is free? Do you know? It's free. How to migrate? Do you know? How do we migrate? Sorry? This guy, you know everything. I need to shoot this guy low. Who get 1,000 when not they use again? Okay, you know PC. Also, we don't get this country. Tomatoes rise. What tomatoes he said dollar rise. Now tomatoes rise. Now tomatoes are they come down on fresh pepper rise. Onions they won't come and they look there too. The way you see they go now, you just go person wedding now, you just see Indomie and egg, and not feed buy tomatoes. Alright, DJ, also are you ready? Alright, let's have fun. You get one dance somewhere. You know, those of you who know me know I love dancing, right? For this country. Within this country, they bring one. All I hear English today. But when I go hear English today. Shemaba, are you ready? Eh? Hello. Oh, okay, Auntie. You're there, you wait for cab. Get my phone. You don't carry your phone. You don't see how these guys now, they wait for phone, they go, they ping. You hold my phone, just the pump pinging. This I walk on toast you. Now Joko. Shema. Not for Mando. Let's put attitude. If I talk TikTok, even me, I know you. Now, oh yeah, let's go. If you do, you know say you pass up, you keep come. Alright, let's. Camera rolling. You didn't wait for cab now. Nice one. Alright.
Sorry. I just using it to the time.
You are miming. Toast.
Yeah, what's up? How are you? I'm Ola Silva, man. I'm Ola Silva. And I love to have a minute from the time. I love to talk to you.
These guys, you are not gentle. Person never agree, don't they rush on. Oh. Okay, speak pidgin.
Do you know what? I like you, honestly. I know you become this.
Hello. How much are your potato?
Like I said earlier, I like you. I love to know you become like this. You said what? I just want to be
This guy, you just face test. You just face Toks 204. You cool down. Go down. They disgrace this. No. Oh. My brother, come. See more again level. Try again later. Auntie, no worry. Somebody must toast you today. Correct. See big boy. You know say a real toasting for university. Sure the wakala who get.
I know the big boy, you will forget that too. Okay. You're ready? Hello? How far now? What's up now? I'm always good to see you. I value your package, Anyway, my name is Ozzy, so what's your name? Daniel. What a beautiful name for a beautiful girl, man. To be honest, somehow you might want to say that I'm a stranger to you already, but I mean, I don't know your schedule. If I can get your number, we can hook up sometime.
Wait, you don't take us serious. No, you won't be another. You say, hey, come on here. See the guy is laughing. Who told you pass for that to this guy? Who try? Talk for your mic now. Who try? This nice. Oh. The next guy. The guy try, Abi. Correct. Now, okay. You don't try. So you know then that you will collect something now. They toast you well, Abi. Correct. Toaster, come. This guy is a toasty. You saw what it? Toasty. Where's the toaster? Toasty. Man, congratulations, man. Correct. Alright. I need a girl again. A girl. Make it toast the guy. Guess what the toast guy? Okay. Hello. Ornament, sorry. No, hey, come on. Wait. No, but they fight for gender waiting. He starts here. No, here. Talk up for Mike.
I don't know how to do.
Did we talk about do na? No, did we talk about do? We said toast. He said, I don't know. No, we are not doing yet. He's toasting. He said, what? You don't know how to. Okay, don't have to toast the guy. Who be toast guy here, baby? Ah, say you use your gift play. Oh, who be toast the guy here? Who? Oh, the one white shirt. Sweet and come. Correct. By their fruit. Correct. What's the name? Eh? Bless. Ah, I didn't get it called blessed the toast. They are toasters. Oh yeah, now you go toast our guy.
Hello. How you doing? Actually, my name is Blessing.
Just give me a minute. I need to go say something. I'll go back to you. Just hold on.
Hello. Can we tell your friend? Just take a look at me now.
Make some noise! You toast for a living. Even this guy confused. He forgets it on stage. Wait to prepare you won't collect number. Okay, they here. Now 6 people are in for this stage. Oh yeah, you there? This guy, you are a toaster. You. Stand there now. 2 songs. Now mother, why should show us your back? This guy gets swag. Do swag. Okay. And now what he go do now with these 2 guys? Let's reason together. No, okay. No, not be dance. Cool down now. They got a body. Now, what can I do now? Be say, now your boyfriend for joke. If I want to take him for life, I don't know later. Now your friend be this. This is quarrel competition. You don't have to quarrel. This is your mouth. Okay, now your boyfriend be this. So you can't say with your friend quarrel. They are big girl. For the stage, you be big girl. You see, now your guy be this. Bros come now. You see that two they come, and now your friend be this. Your trusted friend. Because now you don't know where they come from. You don't know what they go do. Now, oh yeah, hope no. We want to get reaction, right? Mona not shout to our bed. Mona not shout. If you know say you quarrel for a living, you feel can't support them. Oh yeah, Mona watch now. Camera rolling. Wait. Whoa. This guy don't take us serious. Make some noise. This guy, the way they do it, I know say don't settle for tire. Alright, since of you are done, I want to see people to say that is why we'll be on this game. Alright, I'm gonna come. Correct. But they try, Abby. They try. Correct. Alright, right about now. You know why they're here, right? It's dancing competition on me. It's dancing competition on me. Okay, if you not sabi that, no, just stand. They go evict you. I be not be so. DJ Osam. And spread. Correct. No, you're not consign me. If you're not submitting that, let go. All right, after the dancing competition, hold your phone. Everybody's migrating to MTN Post today. Let go. Okay, they change the song to Ariaria. Oh yeah, stop. 5-star music. Money. You don't see like this one? 5-star music. They know DJ wait. We a beat first. We know the serious people.